जैसे बहुत लोगों से ऊपर हम भी बात कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये संस्कृति नहीं है. ये बीइंग द सीनियर मेंबर, व्हाट इज ही टॉकिंग? He should apologize unconditionally. It is an insult to the women folk. He should apologize. What is this, sir? A parliamentary.
May I continue? Sir, I just want to stress that it is, sir, it is beyond the legislative competence of this House to legislate on a subject that features on the state list, which is in the present case cooperative societies. Since federalism forms part of the basic structure propounded, the doctrine propounded by the Supreme Court, encroachment on the idea of federalism amounts to a violation of the basic structure doctrine as well. Equally, sir, I am sorry that the ordinance that this bill seeks to replace has been legally challenged and the matter is pending before the Honorable Madras High Court. Constitutional experts have argued that it's against propriety to legislate in sub judice matters, and you yourself, Honorable Speaker, have expressed the opinion that we should not even be discussing sub judice matters. Can we have one rule for us and one rule for the government, sir? And finally, sir, the selective ordinance-making powers provided under the Constitution have been abused by doing this without reference to a standing committee. Such a critical subject as regulation in the banking industry should have at least taken the views of members of the standing committee, and I would request the minister to kindly withdraw this, offer it to the standing committee, and then bring it back to the House with all these issues taken care of and the court matters settled. Thank you, sir.
श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमण जी.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, cooperative banks in this country are regulated by the RBI since 1965. And this bill actually only seeks to extend the applicability so that some of the banking regulation laws are also going to be applicable to them. Why was this necessitated, sir? Because cooperatives, first of all, the state cooperative laws are not being proposed to be amended, not at all being touched. The state cooperative laws, if only Professor Saugata Roy can listen rather than get distracted by other factors, state cooperative laws are not being proposed at all in this amendment, if that is clear to him. So the other thing is, in this amendment, what we are trying to do is only to look at those cooperatives which are using the word bank and therefore are receiving deposits and dealing with deposits, and to that extent the legislative competence of this House is absolutely well established under entry number 45 of the Union List. Regulation of banking also comes under the entry number 43 of the Union List. Further, as per clause 2 of this bill, it would apply only to those cooperative societies which use the words bank, banker, or banking. So this is not anything to do with all cooperative activities of a cooperative institution. It is only restricted to those activities which come under the name of bank, banker, banking that we are trying to regulate under the entry 45 of the Union List. So the competence is very well established. And we are very clearly saying we are not looking at the states, we are state cooperative laws. That will remain wherever it is, we are not touching them. So that is one thing, sir. The second is, there is a legal challenge in some court, so this House cannot deal with it. Let's first of all understand that there is no interlocutory relief which has been provided in the court, and therefore there are no other direction